Hello, and Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my all beautiful people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I love you all, and you love so us. And this crochet video is many more things for daily basis design that are uploaded for you. And this video is all about the cardigans designs. Also stunning, gorgeous videos and many more attractive designs. This video, it's so beautiful, and more cardigans designs are different colors are so amazing. Two color combination and one color combination design, and these are flowers for cardigans, and 2-3 colors for red for depend on your choice. And my responsibility for daily designs for uploaded for you. These so stunning videos. If any videos related to more attractive elegance videos, if any videos related to more attractive, more stunning, gorgeous and different colors and different matching designs, so just looking so pretty designs, and so cardigans designs are so amazing for carry this under this carry top blouses, and this carry for cardigans, and depending on your choice for winter season is so pretty designs for uploaded for you. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegance and more gorgeous videos. If any videos related to more attractive, more stunning videos, so let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. So thanks for watching our videos. If any videos related to more attractive and any pattern, thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.